So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how I sold one digital product for 8 months and made over $500,000 from it. I know some of you are very skeptical. You never sold anything before online, you don't know where to start, you bought courses, you've watched hours of YouTube videos, and you don't know who to trust anymore. That's fair. But this is gonna be the simplest step-by-step breakdown of how this whole thing actually works. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Richard. Let me show you exactly what I did. Back when I was 21 and I was a broke pre-med student at UCLA, about 100 grand in student debt and supposed to spend the next 10 years becoming a doctor, I built this one simple little digital product. It was a productivity guide, teaching college students how to wake up earlier and get better grades in school. That's it. That was the whole product. I made it when I was 21 years old. I priced it at $500, came with some Zoom coaching calls with me, and sold 1,000 units of that product in 8 months. 1,000 times 500, that's $500,000 from one product in my dorm room while I was still in school. And that one single product taught me the entire system. The same system that I've now used to do over 32 million online in digital product sales. And this is the exact same system that over 3,000 of my students are using right now. So there's 5 simple steps to this. Let me break down each one. Step number 1 is to find a niche where people are already spending a lot of money. This is where everybody messes up. They sit in a room, they stare at the computer, and they think that they have to reinvent themselves and create something brilliant. You don't need to do that. They want to be original, they want to be different, but here's the truth. Original is expensive. Proven is profitable. So instead, open up Instagram or TikTok, whichever app you like more, and search up a topic that you're interested in. Productivity, fitness, cooking, just type it in the search bar. If you see videos with millions of views, that means people are interested and obsessed with that topic right now. That's your green light. You're looking at what they're already telling you that they want by watching it, liking it, and engaging with it. Productivity worked for me personally because every single college student in the world that I studied with wanted better grades and more free time. The market was already there. I just gave them a more clear answer. And you do not need to be an expert. You just need to know one thing more than the next person that you're teaching. So now we're in step 2, build the product. Now, when I built my digital product back in 2019, this part took me months. Typing out on Google Docs, buying a camera, recording the video, setting up the entire platform, and editing everything myself. It was so painful. And I'll be honest with you, I was genuinely scared to sell it at $500. $500 for college students who are in student debt just like me? There's no way they paid for that money. And that's why I almost priced it at only $97. But a business coach of mine said, no, Richard, if your product can truly drive $500 in value, that's what you're gonna price. Here's the thing for you. You do not need to spend months building anything anymore. The same kind of product I spent half a year on, you can now create using AI in a single afternoon. Tools like Allen AI Product Builder structure an ebook, write the chapters, and literally hand you on a silver platter a finished digital product. You edit, you brand it, and you're done. Months of my life compressed into a single sitting. The product type doesn't have to be a complicated PDF either. It can be an ebook, it could be a simple video course, it could be a template pack. Simple sells. The simplest digital products are usually the ones that sell best because they solve one specific problem fast. That's all your buyer wants, a clear answer to a clear problem. Now, step 3 is where we set up the product so that people can actually pay you money for it. I know this part sounds a little intimidating, it's not. There's a million different website builders out there that can collect payment. There's Wix, there's Gumroad, there's Shopify. You can use your own custom website builder. Whatever you pick, the buyer doesn't care. They just need a button to click and a place that can type in the credit card information. Use ChatGPT to write a simple product description. Use Canva to design the cover image, and then generate the link. That's the entire storefront step. People stress about this for weeks. Wix, for me personally, is the best one. I'll leave a second link in the description where you can sign up and get 50% off. Step 4, get eyeballs on your product. Every sale that you make follows the exact sequence. It's a 4-step funnel that happens inside the buyer's head. First thing, know you. Second thing, like you, trust you, and then step 4, they buy from you. This is called the KLT factor, know, like, and trust. So how do you build that? The answer, content. The best form of content to make right now, that's the easiest to make, is short form videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You do not even have to show your face if you don't want to. Like one of my top students, Lila, she built her entire business completely faceless with 7-second videos, text on screen, no face behind the brand. And she made her first 1,000 in pure profit with less than 100 followers. By the way, she started this account from complete scratch. And 1,000 views on these videos, that's 1,000 potential buyers. And right now, these platforms, especially Instagram, they're giving away brand new accounts that start from 0 followers, massive amounts of free reach. The reason why they're doing this is because they want new creators on the platform. So if you're 47 years old and you're thinking right now, I don't have an Instagram, I have no idea how Instagram even works, you gotta understand that's actually a huge advantage. Brand new accounts get priority. Make content about the problem that your product solves, be useful, be specific, and the right people will find you. Now we're in step 5. Turn the attention into money. Remember, Attention isn't money. Attention is potential money. You have to now learn how to convert it in one of two places. The first is the DMs, direct messages that you send on your phone. And the second is a quick 15-20 minute Zoom call. If you talk to 3 people on a short call, Zoom call, Google Meets, phone call, it doesn't matter, you'll probably close one of them. That's a 33% conversion rate, when honestly what you're doing is just taking a 15-minute call, giving value, helping people, and answering questions. Now, if you don't want to talk on the phone, that's totally fine. You can use direct messages where you send DMs, but you got to accept that the conversion rate is going to be lower, around 10 to 15%. So you got to talk to more people to make more sales. But it also scales a lot better because you actually don't have to take any calls. When I first started, I did calls, I did DMs, and that's actually how I got to my first 1,000 units. One conversation at a time until the system started running on its own. Plus, you also gain the skill of how to sell a product, which is a massively valuable skill set. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a salesperson. You just have to genuinely care about the buyer on the other side and tell them the truth about the product if you truly believe that the product can help them. I'll be straight up with you here. This is not a hack. This is not some viral trick. It's not a press a button and $10,000 is going to fall into your bank account next week. This is a system. You have your niche, you have a product, you have a storefront, you've got traffic, and then you got your conversion. 5 steps that compound on each other every single week. And the students' mind who win are the ones who treat this like real business operators, not spectators. They're not chasing the next thing, they're building one thing, getting better week after week. Think about this. One $500 course built from a college dorm room, sold 1,000 times, is $500,000 at a 95% profit margin from one PDF. The same 5-step system run for the last few years across multiple different products and helping over 3,000 students. That's over $32 million in sales that I've done. Same system, it just keeps compounding. It works if you actually put in the work and run the system. And if you want to see exactly how this full system works, the niche selection, the AI side, the conversion side, everything step by step, I put together a full masterclass training here on YouTube on exactly how my top students and I are running this in 2026 with AI doing 80 to 90% of the work. I'll leave in the description, I'll also put it right here that you can tap on. So go ahead, watch that next, take notes on it, and I'll see you there on the other side.